If you're experiencing server timeout issues on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to potentially speed up your connection. Follow this guide to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. You can do this by testing your internet speed on another device. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Move closer to your router. If you are using Wi-Fi, try to move closer to your router to improve the signal strength. Walls and other obstructions can weaken the signal, so being in the same room or line of sight can help enhance your connection. Step 3. Use a wired connection. For the best stability, consider using a wired Ethernet connection with a USB adapter for your Nintendo Switch. This can significantly reduce latency and improve connection reliability compared to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Close background applications. Ensure that no other devices or applications are using bandwidth while you're gaming. Close any unnecessary applications on your Switch and disconnect other devices from your network to free up bandwidth. Step 5. Update your console. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software version. Go to System Settings, then System, and select System Update. Keeping your console updated can fix bugs and improve performance. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your Nintendo Switch's connection and reduce server timeout issues. Happy gaming!